Squeaky,
Oh yeah.
So it's on both sides.
Hey guys, welcome back to Broadcast Performance. What are we up to today, Matt?
Okay, so today we are going to try and solve a squeaking problem I have in the rear suspension. It kind of sounds like a squeaky bed, you know, like something nice is going on there.
Oh yeah.
So it's on both sides. I think the passenger side's worse.
Yeah.
It's there. So drives me nuts. So I have figured out that it's actually going to be these parts right over here. It is the rear lower control arm, or lateral arm as some people call it. I got this part off of ECS Tuning, and there's your part number right there. I was going to say it, but it's just easier to show you. And we're also changing out the rear sway bar links as well. Also from, well, actually these are off of eBay, I believe. So these guys cost me, I take that back, I got these off of eBay as well. These ones cost me, I think, $60 for the pair, and these were $20 for the pair. So it's a pretty cheap project to do. But start by jacking it up and taking your rear wheels off, and we'll show you where all of it's located at. So I got some nice new meats here.
Damn.
Yeah.
Them are pretty fresh. Where'd you get them?
So I got these off of ECS Tuning. These are a replica of the, I believe they're called, I don't know who makes the wheels, but they're BMW factory wheel. The 666Ms or 666M style. These are Alzors 758, significantly cheaper. I got them brand new, probably after about $700 after taxes. They're stagger setup. The rear are 19 by 9.5, front are 19 by 8.5. And I got some nice cheapy tires that are trying to be advanced. They're Advant HPZ01s. Very mixed reviews, but they're doing me good so far. So yeah.
Let's check out the unboxing video of these, huh?
Yeah. Oh, looks like I got a delivery. It's gonna be the unboxing video. What could be inside, huh? More boxes. Moment of truth. Look at those. Oh. Wow. Yeah, so guys, these are the new wheels for the BMW. Okay, so it looks like you got a 19mm bolt here and a 19mm nut excuse me, an 18 millimeter bolt and 18 millimeter nut up here. So we're gonna start by taking them off.
I was gonna say, is it and recording?
Okay guys, so you're gonna take this nut and like lobe washer here off with an 18 millimeter impact is what we use, and then you're gonna have to twist the bolt from the other side and hammer out the actual bolt. From here you take out your front 18 millimeter bolt. There's no nut for this one, and after that you should be able to just wiggle this out like so. Time for the replacement. Okay, so to get the upper part of your rear sway bar link off, it is a 16 millimeter nut that comes out of this actual joint right here to the sway bar, so we're just gonna take that off.
Let's see it. Oh, you got the impact.
So we got the vice grip here holding on to the actual ball joint, resting against this upper control arm here. We take the nut off. Oh, can you? So if you look right down here, here's the bottom part of your sway bar link. It is a 13 millimeter, and you're going to need to use a wrench. Ratcheting one was very beneficial in this sense, but I'm almost all the way out, but I still got to keep going, and I've noticed it's getting pretty difficult to do at this point now. Grazie. You want to hold this flashlight and see? I can't tell if this is going in or not. Alright, and you got her. Oh god.
Oh, it's a slotted hole. That makes sense. Just thought it was a big gaping hole.
That's what I told her.
That's hitting the loop guide, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah. Oh, turn the whole thing. I see.
Alright guys, so that is the one and only difficult way to change out your rear lateral arms and sway bar end links. I would say it's a success.
No more
No
squeaks.
more squeak, one for one reason or another. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, give us a comment, let us know what you think. And for now, peace out.